Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Smart Living. In today's video, we will know all about Shopify. What is Shopify? Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create and manage online stores. It provides tools for designing, selling, and promoting products, as well as handling transactions. Shopify is known for its user-friendly interface and customizable features, making it accessible to both small businesses and larger enterprises for setting up and running their online shops. How Shopify works. Shopify works by providing a comprehensive platform for individuals and businesses to set up and manage their online stores. Here's a simplified overview of how it works. 1. Sign up and choose a plan. Users sign up for a Shopify account and choose a subscription plan that suits their business needs. To set up your store, once registered, users can customize their online store by choosing a design theme, uploading product images, and configuring settings. 3. Add products. Users can add their products to the store, including details such as product descriptions, prices, and inventory levels. For configure payment gateways, Shopify integrates with various payment gateways, allowing businesses to securely accept payments online. Users can set up their preferred payment methods. 5. Manage orders. As customers make purchases, Shopify helps manage orders by tracking sales, inventory levels, and customer information. It also generates invoices and order confirmations. 6. Shipping and fulfillment. Shopify offers tools for managing shipping rates, printing shipping labels, and tracking shipments. Users can also handle order fulfillment within the platform. 7. Customization and apps. Users can extend the functionality of their store by adding apps from the Shopify App Store. These apps offer additional features and integrations for marketing, analytics, and more. 8. Mobile responsiveness. Shopify ensures that the online stores created on its platform are mobile-friendly, allowing customers to browse and make purchases on various devices. 9. Security. Shopify prioritizes security, providing features like SSL encryption and secure payment gateways to protect customer data and transactions. 10. Analytics and reports. Shopify provides analytics tools to track store performance, customer behavior, and sales trends. Users can generate reports to gain insights into their business. In summary, Shopify simplifies the process of creating and managing an online store by offering an integrated platform with features for customization, product management, payments, and more. Benefits of Shopify. Shopify offers several benefits for individuals and businesses looking to establish and manage their online stores. 1. User-friendly interface. Shopify's platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to set up and manage their online stores without extensive technical knowledge. 2. Customization. Users can customize the look and feel of their online stores through a variety of themes and templates. This allows for brand consistency and a unique customer experience. 3. Secure and reliable. Shopify prioritizes security, providing SSL encryption and secure payment gateways, ensuring that customer data and transactions are protected. Additionally, Shopify hosts the stores, ensuring reliability and scalability. For mobile responsiveness, Shopify's themes are mobile responsive, ensuring that online stores look and function well on various devices, including smartphones and tablets. 5. Payment gateway integration. Shopify integrates with multiple payment gateways, providing flexibility for businesses to accept payments through various methods, including credit cards, digital wallets, and more. 6. App ecosystem. The Shopify App Store offers a wide range of apps and plugins that users can integrate into their stores to enhance functionality. These apps cover areas such as marketing, analytics, inventory management, and customer support. 7. Scalability. Shopify is suitable for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Shopify provides scalable solutions too. Accommodate growth. 8. SEO-friendly. Shopify is designed with search engine optimization SEO best practices in mind. It helps improve the visibility of online stores in search engine results, potentially attracting more organic traffic. 924/7 customer support. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support through various channels, including live chat, email, and phone. This ensures that users can get assistance whenever they need it. 10. Integrated marketing tools. Shopify includes built-in marketing tools such as discount codes, social media integration, and email marketing capabilities, helping businesses promote their products and attract customers. 11. Automatic updates. Shopify takes care of updates and maintenance, ensuring that users have access to the latest features and security patches without having to manage these aspects themselves. Automatic updates. Shopify takes care of updates and maintenance, ensuring that users have access to the latest features and security patches without having to manage these aspects themselves. Well, dear viewers, as we all know that everything has some pros and cons, so Shopify also has some cons. Now, as I have told you all about the benefits or pros of Shopify, now let's talk about some cons of Shopify. While Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform, it's important to consider potential drawbacks. 1. Transaction fees. Shopify charges transaction fees for each sale made on the platform, unless users use Shopify payments. This additional cost can affect profit margins, especially for smaller businesses. 2. Monthly costs. While Shopify offers different subscription plans, there are ongoing monthly costs associated with using the platform. This can be a consideration, particularly for businesses on tight budgets. 3. Limited design flexibility. While there are many themes available, some users find that Shopify's design customization options are not as extensive as they would like. Advanced customization might require knowledge of Liquid, Shopify's templating language. 4. App costs. While the App Store provides valuable extensions, some apps come with additional costs, depending on the features needed. Businesses may incur extra expenses to enhance their store's functionality. 5. Data portability. Migrating away from Shopify can be challenging. Users might face difficulties if they decide to move their store to a different platform due to the proprietary nature of certain features and data. 6. Limited blogging features. While Shopify includes a blogging platform, some users find it less robust compared to dedicated blogging platforms. This can be a drawback for businesses placing a strong emphasis on content marketing. 7. Dependency on apps. While the App Store is a strength, heavy reliance on third-party apps for certain features might lead to potential issues if those apps are discontinued or experience compatibility problems. 8. Learning curve for advanced features. While Shopify is user-friendly for basic setups, utilizing advanced features and customization might require a steeper learning curve, particularly for users without a technical background. 9. SEO limitations. While Shopify is generally SEO-friendly, some users find certain limitations, such as the inability to customize URL structures fully. This can impact advanced SEO strategies. 10. Internationalization challenges. Handling multiple currencies and languages can be more complex for businesses targeting international markets. Some users might find the internationalization features less intuitive. Despite these considerations, the suitability of Shopify depends on individual business needs and preferences. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons to determine if Shopify aligns with specific e-commerce goals. I hope this information was helpful for you. If you like this video, then please do share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe for more. That was all for today. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.